Yes, so welcome to Ask Me Now. And yes, so what is your question? What are your queries? Yes, Sangeeta. Sangeeta, you are from
Uh, yes, sir. I'm from Nepal,
Nepal. Which place, ma'am?
Chiton.
Okay, right. So what is your query? What do you want to ask?
I'm zero about this Vedic mathematics,
Okay,
so I want to learn.
okay. So what do you do as of now? What is your profession, current profession?
Or now as a teacher,
Teacher. Which subject you are teaching?
I'm major English, but in now computer.
Great. Okay. So Vedic maths is basically what makes our mathematics easy and faster. It is a tool, or you can say it is a collection of techniques which makes our mathematics easy, faster, and that is why we generally call it as magical, right? So this is very essential for a child for his growth of both left and right brains, and then it has several other advantages also, like visual ability improves, your reasoning skills enhances, the logic gets increased, and the speed, of course. See, whatever you have been doing, for example, can I ask you one question of mathematics?
For me, sir,
Yes.
I'll try
Okay. So, you know tables?
a little bit.
Little bit.
Mm,
Then I'm just asking a bit tough question for you because definitely you are not maths a teacher. How much time you will take to write a table of 89?
89.
Yes.
Sorry, see again.
How much time you need to write a table of 89?
Maybe 5 minutes.
5 minutes, correct? And if it is a child, they might ask for 10 minutes, right?
Yeah,
But the magic is in Vedic maths, you can write the same within 10 seconds,
just 10 seconds.
just 10 seconds. Even I can
Wow.
teach you right now also, and you'll learn also within 5-10 minutes, you can learn also the concept. So this is what we call it as a magic. Whatever we already know, it further improves our efficiency in that. It further enhances our speed. So when speed, efficiency are enhanced, a student start feeling positive, start feeling good, start getting motivated, start getting more, you know, a feeling of joy. And that is what he starts learning education. And that is where we say the right brain, left brain, they start working, and it is an overall development of any person. And we generally call it as a journey of transformation from fear of maths to confidence. Right? We'll do it. Uh, just yes. So yes. Anyone? Any question? Uh,
Excuse me, sir. How can
yes,
we
ma'am.
get the full course? How can we get the access of that course?
Access means
And perhaps you are giving another classes. And I think this
yes.
is
There are
only
regular
introduction
classes.
class.
I am taking regular classes. That is no. That is like there are 65 hours.
And that class is especially for a student, or teacher can
That
take
is
part?
that is known as teachers training classes, teacher training classes.
Okay. And what is the procedure to join here?
It has a fees, like yesterday one batch started. Now this is like 68 hours it takes,
Yeah.
and 60 that is divided, like we have two kinds of batches. One is Monday, Wednesday, Friday. This is known as weekdays. Then we
Yeah.
have weekend batches, that is only Saturdays and Sundays. So weekdays
Okay.
is when you now the new batch was started is 9 to 1, 9 to 11 in PM, right? So that
Okay.
means
Okay.
6 hours in 1
9
week.
to 11 p.m.
Yes. So 6 hours
Yeah.
in 1 week. So that will take approximately 11 weeks to complete.
Okay. Okay. And I got one contact detail in chat box. Can I contact you?
Yes, sure, you can contact. What number you got?
I got 98488140045. Umesh,
That
I
is,
think name.
that is Umesh, sir.
Yeah.
You can talk to him also.
Okay. I will contact him personally. Okay. Then I will get more details from there, I think.
Yes, you can talk. Otherwise, you can ask here also.
Okay.
Yes, Deepak Sivakoti.
And I think, sir, you are from India, and if we ask you for that physical class or physical training,
Where
and
you belong to which place?
I'm from Bardia district.
Sorry?
Bardia district near Nepalganj.
Nepalganj. See, we are scheduling one batch, offline batch, what you call live batch, in Dharwadi district next coming
Okay.
month in May. So, but not I'm not sure about right now about Nepalganj, but time will tell, maybe in future.
Okay.
We are preparing some of the trainers, so definitely they'll be taking forward the courses. But right now I am taking only online because I have students from India also,
Yeah.
Nepal also, and outside also. So we can have that.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Bidor. Tell me, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Great.
How are you doing today?
I'm doing good. Yes, tell me, sir.
Sir, I'd just like to know how is this Vedic mathematics related to Ved? Like we Hindu are related with the 4 Veds. So how can you relate our topic to Ved? And is are there any form that we are from that phase that our rishis and Maharishis taught us the mathematics, and
So let me give you a brief, because let me give you a brief history of Vedic mathematics. Now, why it is called as Vedic mathematics? Vedic,
exactly.
It is called Vedic mathematics because it is believed to be derived from our Vedas only. So how many Vedas we have?
We just know the 4 Veds.
Yes, we have 4 Vedas. Rig Ved, Sam Ved, Yajur Ved, and Athar Ved. So this particular subject, it is believed to be originated from our Athar Veda, the 4th Veda, which deals with medicine, sculpture, mathematics, sciences, which we are, all the sciences which we are dealing right now, right? And the credit, see, now the credit goes to a person who took this knowledge from Vedas and formulated into a book, a set of books that we know today as Vedic mathematics, right? So he gave us some sutras. Now, sutras are again, it is just like your formulas in mathematics or your techniques. So we got 16 sutras and 13 sub-sutras with the help of which we can solve our arithmetic, our algebra, our conics, our calculus, our trigonometry, our geometry, and even organic chemistry, right? Even Vedic astrology is one subject, but I'm not educating those topics. But yes, if you talk about mathematical part, I can guide you better.
It was
Good
a very
evening, sir.
nice topic, sir, and thank you very much for your time.
No,
And
you are from Vidur, you are from?
I'm from, sir, here I'm from Kathmandu, sir. It's the capital of
So hope to
Nepal.
meet you. I'm reaching tomorrow morning in Kathmandu.
Exactly. Okay.
Tomorrow
Okay.
morning I'll be there
that's
in
good.
Kathmandu.
Very nice. Very
Tomorrow
nice.
afternoon,
Okay.
not morning, afternoon.
Sure.
Right.
Welcome to Kathmandu, sir.
Okay, we were having a talk today, right? Yes, city. You are running some technical courses.
Right. Okay. Yeah. Yes.
Now
I am.
now I'm just
Yes.
checking your. Okay, got it. Right.
Yes, sir.
So hope to meet you. I'll be there for 3-4 days. Let's see. What can be done.
Sure.
Right. So regarding technical also, if you need any assistance, I can just guide you better. And even for international accreditations. See, if you see my
Sure.
profile, I'm an
I read your profile, sir.
right. So I'm a evaluation commissioner for an international body, and my job is to inspect institutions only, inspect the universities,
Okay.
colleges. So in India, I have been inspecting, but yes, I didn't got the chance to inspect in Nepal. So maybe
Okay.
I'll share you one profile,
Right.
one link. You can go through that. Maybe it would be helpful for you. That is iao.org. This is an international institution which accredits colleges, universities, international bodies, and all. So I'm an
Okay.
evaluation commissioner for them.
Sure.
Yes. Pranjal.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what are your queries? What are your questions?
So I was just here to ask you about the Vedic mathematics, all about it, and to get knowledge about it.
Okay, what do you do?
I'm a student,
Student of which class?
7th.
7th. What all do you find difficult in your mathematics subject?
Yes, sir, I do find difficulties.
Which topic you find difficulties? Do you have square roots, cube roots?
Yes, sir, in that one and as well as algebra.
Okay, algebra also. Algebra we can do in within seconds. And
So,
we can even multiplication of the equations, solving linear equations, solving polynomial equations, that can be done within seconds, right? And even cube roots, square roots. Now, for cube roots, okay, give me 1 second. I'll ask you one question.
okay.
I think that would help you out. Okay, if I ask you what is cube root of 6859, how will you find it?
Simply I will do it with the help of calculator.
With the help of calculator. Now see this, now we, who made calculators? We or calculators made us?
Done.
A human mind made calculators or a calculator made a human mind? So why we are dependent on calculators? You know how much power we have, our brain has. So why we are depending on calculators?
we find it difficult and scary as well.
See, if we solve everything with calculator, then why should we study mathematics? So that means the part which calculator does not solve. For example, now cube root. I don't think a normal calculator can solve cube root.
So I will type it on scientific calculator.
So scientific also allowed in your classes.
Yes, sir, it is.
What about algebra?
So I find it difficult to do it.
So what do you find difficult in algebra? Any topic?
So it requires a lot of formulas as well as doing calculations.
Okay. I'll give you one hint today. One sutra is there, a very simple one. Maybe you get a help out of it. The sutra is known as basically Anurupayana Sutra. Maybe you cannot, if you don't remember the name, no issues. Anurupayana. Sunya Manyat. Right. So,
Yeah.
but I'll see. Okay. I'm just giving you one equation. I just want an answer from your side. 5x plus 8y is equal to 40. 10x
How?
plus 11y is equal to 80. Can you solve this?
So just a second.
Okay, how do you solve it?
With the help of my brain.
Brain is perfect. What method you follow? Definitely everybody uses the brain, I can understand. What is the method we'll use? Elimination method?
Yes, I was about.
Right, so you multiply this equation with 2, that means it becomes 10x, it becomes 16y, it becomes 80, correct?
Yes.
Now, in Vedic maths, we don't do like this. Not required. I just observe the coefficient of x is in the ratio 1:2. Yes or no? 1 is 5,
Yes.
1 is x, 10. Even the
Yes, sir.
constants, they are in ratio 1:2.
Yes.
If x is in ratio with y is same, then the other constant is 0. Finish. So y is 0. If y is 0, directly fx is equal to 40, x is equal to 8.
Yes.
So this is the magic of Vedic mathematics. You don't have to solve all that 6 steps, 7 steps. Simple, just by visualization. See, this is known as visualizing the numbers, visualizing the equations. And it's not that every time x would be constant. I'll give you one more example.
Yes, sir.
27x plus 144y is equal to 720. 42x plus 72y is equal to 360. Now, if you just observe this again, visual ability, that is what we call. Y is in ratio of 2:1. Even constant, they are in ratio of 2:1. Now, x and y, y and constant are in ratio, so x is equal to 0. So if x is equal to 0, then 72y is equal to 360. X is equal to, y is equal to 5. Finish.
Yes, so it's easy, but it requires a lot of practice.
What practice? See, we have to use our brains. Now, visualization is very important. Right, so there are certain magics. If you go for my workshop things, there we teach arithmetic, how multiplication can be done. Okay, you are in class 7. Can I ask you
Yes.
one simple question?
Yes, you can.
How much time you need to write a table of 89?
So 8 minutes.
8 minutes. That means 480 seconds. And a
Yes.
student of class 1 can write the same within 10 seconds if he is doing with the help of Vedic maths. So see, 48 times faster. If you want to see that, there is a link of video, or if you go on my website, there is a link. I gave a seminar in Dhangadi, I explained them.
So I was there too.
Then that time you didn't understand.
So I was not in the same class. I was.
Okay. Right. So there are so many other also that we can
Will
understand.
you please send me the link?
Yeah, that is youtube.com. Then Dr. Yogesh Chandna. I'll just write down.
Okay.
I'll write down here itself. Just let me take the link proper so that if you just search Dr. Yogesh Chandna in YouTube, you will get right. Or
Okay.
you can check with the website. Here everything is available.
Okay, sir.
Correct.
Thank you.
Similarly, Facebook page also is with the same name. So you can check with that also. Whatever you want, everything is there. Any query if you have in your mind will be there to solve it.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thanks for your kind information.
Yes, Bidu. Anyone else? Santosh?
So, sir,
Yes, please.
how many days are you planning here?
How many days?
Are you planning here in Kathmandu?
Kathmandu, I'll be there for 3 days.
Okay. So you have a long program here in Kathmandu now.
Sorry, come again.
You have a long program here in Kathmandu.
Yeah, we have to discuss with some schools for seminars and all.
Definitely, sir. It's a very bright course you are running, sir. I hope it will be very useful.
Definitely. See, I'll tell you one thing. You know, if you Nelson Mandela.
Yeah. Yes. Sir.
What he said, if you want to destroy one country, there is no atomic bomb or anything required. Only allow cheating in the examinations. So what does that mean basically?
Exactly, sir. The
Now
whole.
what Pranjal gave the answer. I asked him some question. He said, I'll do it with the calculator. Is he correct?
No.
But it's not. See, it's not his fault. It's not his fault. It is the fault of our system. We have allowed them. We don't want them to use their brains. We are stopping them to use the brains. Huh? Then who is at fault? We are at fault. So that is the thing. See, if we will not use our brains, I always give simple example. 10 years back, when you were having a dial-up phones, you used to remember each and every phone number. Now, when you have got smartphones, you don't remember even 5 telephone numbers.
We don't use our brains now.
Yes, that is what we don't use. And what is that? Is it good? No. We have become totally dependent. Yes, Santosh, you raise your hand. Please ask.
May I know the duration of the course? Is this course annual program or is this a short type of short training courses?
It is a short training course. It is around 65 hours training. So depending on the batch you are selecting, it goes. Now one batch started yesterday only. That is So the Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 9 p.m. to 11 p.m.
No, just you are producing the trainer, or you are giving only the we are you are making us giving us the making us trainer, or just we are being your trainee.
I am trying to make you trainers. That's why I'm giving you all the chances to even speak up, even the chances to participate in the seminars. You should come
Okay,
up. You have,
I
see,
was
I can
quite-
give you
I
that.
was-
I can give you a platform. I can give you a stage. I can give you an opportunity. But ultimately, you have to come up and speak.
I was sorry. I'm sorry. I was quite late to join the program. May I know about the charge and other thing regarding the courses you are giving us on this batch?
I am not, see, the detailed course, Santosh Gimre, you just share me your WhatsApp number. I'll just share the detailed content. Here, I cannot discuss the content. It is 6
No, no,
steps.
I am not asking the content. I am just asking about the payroll. How much should we pay, or it is free of
Okay,
cost, or
it is 13,000 IC. Indian currency 13,000.
okay.
I take
I
only
want to know.
6 to 8 students in one batch. That's all, because it is a professional course. Mind it. Now, like you are sitting with your camera off, that is not allowed there. Because when you have switched off your camera, you are not 100% here. You are diverting. But when we have to solve exercises, when we have to become a trainer, then we should be present 100%. And for that, it is mandatory to keep your mics as well as videos on.
Yeah, after taking the taking the training, and after we run the training in our school, or with our colleges, should we pay any other royalty, like royalty to you or not?
What royalty? If you are training, what royalty you can give me?
No. Just that abacus and some of this kind of chain,
That is
they
that.
acts as royalty. Although
No.
we train to other taking
See,
the training, they charge us, and I'm willing to know
I,
about
I,
those
I,
things.
I don't know. See, if you are talking about franchisee, even in franchisee, it is zero royalty.
Yeah.
Only if you are looking for books that are charged, not training.
Okay.
Correct?
Now I want to run a franchisee, and this province one.
Which place you
Yeah,
are looking for? Which place you are looking for?
province one.
Sorry?
Province one of Nepal. Province
Okay,
one.
province one. How far it is from Kathmandu?
Nah, it's 45-minute flight.
45-minute flight. So I am there in Kathmandu tomorrow, day after tomorrow, up till Sunday. You can visit Kathmandu. I am there for a franchisees meet. You can visit us and we'll finalize.
No,
Not an issue.
I cannot visit. I cannot visit now because I am busy, and somehow the
No issue,
new
sir.
academic year is going on.
Then what? See, then come up on a Zoom. I can discuss. I should also see you. If we have to partner, we should also come and see.
Yeah, I can be you on online on any time as you desire. Yeah, but I cannot come to Kathmandu just within these some weeks.
Not
because
not
the
an issue.
academic year is
Not
going
an
on
issue.
here.
Next month when we'll be having classes in Dhangadi, I'll just invite you in Dhangadi, right?
When are you planning to be on Dhangadi?
Dhangadi, it would be somewhere first week May.
First week of May. This is March, April 12. May. Let me have a look at the calendar.
Chalo, that we can discuss. No, not an issue. You can go through the minute details, every detail. Keep up your questions ready. Day after tomorrow also I have this session. Definitely that session I'll be taking from Kathmandu. But you can ask me anything. Even in the morning, if you have any queries, you can ask me on WhatsApp. Not an issue. Yes, Murli Kumar.
Okay, no.
Good evening, sir.
Especially I wanted to know is about the franchisee model. Yeah, franchisee model, and how can we run up the franchises, and how
Franchise
can we
model.
get some
Okay,
more training?
I'll give you a franchise model basics. See, I'm not running it as a business. Very first thing, it involves training. See, again, if you're not there, how it seems like I'm speaking something and you're not listening. Okay, but I think here everybody is not interested in franchise model. So we'll discuss in the morning. You can call me in the morning. I'll be there. I'll take your call. Right. Or after this session.
I'll leave my WhatsApp number.
Sure.
I'll leave my WhatsApp number on your chat. Okay.
Sure. You have my number?
No, I don't have. I'll just leave my number in this chat now.
I am sharing my number. You can have this. Okay.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Molly. Tell me.
Okay. I will
Sir.
have you. Yeah, and okay, I will have you a personal conversation.
Sure.
And we'll discuss more on these things there.
Yes,
Sir,
Molly.
how can we get the books, sir?
Books. Mr. Umesh is looking for the books in Nepal. You can contact him.
Umesh.
Where do you belong to? Which place?
Sir, Lumini.
Lumini. He'll send you by courier. Not an issue.
Okay.
Get
Sir.
in touch with Umesh, sir.
How much it costs, sir?
See, the books cost 1, 2, 3, 4. I see, but the courier charges, I am not sure what would be there. So that approximately what 100 or whatever extra. So around 1300, 13 something.
Okay, sir.
Six
Sir,
books
will
are
you come
there.
in Lumini for training or not in future?
Sorry?
Will you come in Lumini for training?
Are you inviting me?
Yes, sir.
For one student?
No, sir.
Then
for schools.
Schools. How many schools you have?
I teach in one school and I've contacted up to 4 to 5 schools. We can manage that.
You talk to them. See, if there are 4 or 5 schools, then we can have a business proposal and then we can come. Not an issue. How far it is from Kathmandu?
Sir, it is about 250 kilometers from Kathmandu. And you can come by air in Vairava. There is an airport, international airport, Gautam Buddha International Airport. And from there, it takes about 15 minutes to come in Lumbini.
Okay, Bhairava, you're talking about, okay. You can send me on WhatsApp. I'll see to it. And in the meantime, you can discuss with other schools also. See, if there is something like which can be worked out financially also.
Yes.
Because definitely if
Yes.
I am visiting, there would be some financial expenses. And if you are working, you also need some financial benefits. So
yes, sir.
Look for something which can benefit both. And you can talk to me in the morning. We can discuss, or you can have a word with Umesh sir. He'll be the guide for you in Nepal.
Sir, can I get the number of Umesh sir?
Umesh sir, number dijiye.
I shared, sir. I shared to Murali sir, Murali Kumar.
Okay, sir. Okay.
He is also he is also in a WhatsApp. I have contacted him.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Redmi Note. Who is this?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Am I audible, sir?
Sorry?
Yes, sir. I'm Santosh Singh from Viratnagar.
Okay. Yes, Santosh Singh. बताइए.
हाँ सर, मैंने बस फेसबुक में देखा था और फर्स्ट ही ये आपका सेशन अटेंड कर रहा हूँ.
Okay. क्या जानना चाहते हैं संतोष?
Yeah, just want to know about this Vedic mathematics.
क्या करते हैं अभी आप?
Well, I'm a businessman now.
Business in what?
We do a water filter business.
Okay, great. अभी तो फिर गर्मियां आ रही हैं और बिजनेस बढ़ेगा.
ये सर अभी थोड़ा सा इम्पोर्ट नेपाल में कुछ इम्पोर्ट में कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स आ रहे हैं. Well, I also I like to teach children. Still, I cannot proceed it. So yeah, I am interested to teach this Vedic mathematics to children.
Okay, great. So what is otherwise? What is your qualification?
Yeah, I'm a graduate, sir.
Okay, do one thing. See, the first step would be देखिए आज first step आपने ले लिया. This is the first step. First, clear all your queries, all your doubts, whatever comes in your mind. Then the second step is go for a workshop. Saturday, Sunday, I have a workshop. Now this time it would be 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. Saturday as well as Sunday. Now both the times you are free.
Yes,
Once
sir.
you have done this, all your doubts would be done. And you will be learning
sir.
so many concepts of Vedic mathematics, and also you can launch your classes after that for kids. I'm talking about kids. But yes, if you want to learn more, then you can go for a professional course. Right? So these are the three steps. First step is clear your doubts. Whatever is coming in your mind, whatever question arises, doubt, questions, queries, clear that. So for that, we have this show, Ask Me Now, every Tuesday and Thursday. Second step is go for a workshop, register for a workshop. That is a 2 days workshop where you get the insights of Vedic mathematics. What is Vedic mathematics? How is it useful? And some concepts. You'll eventually see your own speed will multiply 40 times. Within half an hour, your speed will be like a more than a calculator. You will not use the calculator in that class. After that class, also for 1-2 days, you will never use. You'll say, I am better than the calculator. Then it
Yes, sir.
depends on your practice, how much you want to do it. Then if you
Okay.
want to go for a complete professional course, then we have a program that is known as teachers training program. And just now, yesterday we started one batch. Next batch will start in 10-15 days.
Okay, sir. So I need to take the 2-day workshop
Yes, you can
on
take.
Saturday.
You can take. You can register for that. Umesh sir will be sending you the link. You can register for
Okay,
that.
sir. Okay, sir. I'll surely register.
Right.
Yes, sir. Okay, thank you, sir.
Anyone else?
डॉक्टर साहब
Yes, Vidru.
डॉक्टर साहब मैं आपको एक बात पूछना चाह रहा था कि ये जो आपका पीजी का जो लेवल का जो किड्स के लिए आप लोगों के पास क्या प्रोग्राम अभी आपके क्या
वैदिक
कर रहे
मैथ्स
हैं
में बोल
इस
रहे हैं? वैदिक मैथ्स में
जी जी
क्लास
जी वैदिक
देखिए, वैदिक मैथ्स अगर आप मेरे से आइडियल सिचुएशन पूछते हैं तो मैं बोलता हूँ क्लास 3rd से स्टार्ट कीजिए. तो क्लास 3rd से
ओके
क्लास 3rd 4th 5th के लिए कॉमन सिलेबस है, 2 बुक्स हैं उसमें. 6th
राइट
7th
राइट
8th के लिए अलग सिलेबस है, उनकी 4 बुक्स हैं.
okay it was just like I was talking for the PGs like for the kids like kindergarten kids like
How
if we
can
are running any program.
just try to understand one point. For kindergarten, I have a chain of preschools. If you want to search, check gurusthanam.school. So I have a chain of I am a founder director of a school chain that is known as Gurusthanam Technical Schools.
Very
There,
nice, sir. Very nice.
if you want, we have books separate for that, whatever you need, whatever you, because see, that also we work on child psychology. I'll give you an example.
Exactly.
Now,
Exactly.
You are from Kathmandu, na?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So you just visit me. I'll show you some things. Now, what is required in the early childhood years? You need to constantly monitor the growth of a child. That is that age. So for that, we have our own height and weight chart. Then what now if I talk about color psychology, what is the color which attracts the children most? Which is the color?
Like it's the
red.
So if you'll see if you'll see my diary, that is the most, that is 100% red color, and it is so colorful. I challenge you, can have never seen such a diary of a Montessori or a preschool. Because see, that is what the child is carrying every day. So you have to work, you have to think like a child. You have to work like a child. Then you will get,
Definitely.
and you have to promote them every time. See, now you are running technical courses. Now in technical, a student gets certificate after 3 years when they complete their diploma. But for a kid, you have to give them every day something. Even if you are giving them a star, you know, they'll go back home and they'll say, my madam gave a star to me today.
Yeah.
So this is the value. So certificate, every month you should give them a certificate. So if you are teaching them for 9 to 10 months, 10 certificates they should have in their hand. And so on these things you have to work on. Now, a very small thing I'll tell you. If you're running a preschool, or even if you're not running, have you seen who goes to select a school first? A mother goes.
Sure.
Right, because she's more excited. She wants that my child should be better than me. Once she is satisfied, then she asks the husband, please come with me. I have seen this school. Please select one of this. Correct? Now you have to, that means.
I'm very sorry to say, sir, but it's like a female dominated.
That is, but you asked me. See, you only asked me preschool, so I am just giving you that. See, that is what.
Sorry, it's only a joke.
It's not women dominated or something. Anything you do.
No, it's only a joke from my side, sir. I'm very sorry to say, but it's only a joke from my side.
It's not. See, I have only one thing to say. Whatever you do it 100%. So if you are into technical education, you have to be technically sound enough. If you are doing a pre-education, you have to understand the psychology of the child. If you are doing vocation, so whatever you are doing. Now, if you see my profile, I am a founder director of a chain of preschools. Before that, I started my journey in 1997 as an internet person, and I was the first person to have internet connection. I had 700 plus websites, but with time that lost the things. So changed my profile to school education system. So you have to, and now why Vedic mathematics? Because it empowers kids, it empowers children. So you have to have satisfaction also. It's not only earning money every time, but there should be some motive after that also. Right. So we'll sit. I'll be there tomorrow afternoon. My same number would be on. So we'll meet.
Okay.
Not issue.
Sure.
How are you, Arjun?
I'm good, sir. How are you? Good evening.
I'm good, but what about homework?
Yes, sir. It will be completed by tomorrow.
Tomorrow we'll have a class, but tomorrow I'll be taking it from.
Before the class, I will submit. I will submit all the homeworks.
Tomorrow I'll take a class from Kathmandu.
Yeah, I was very excited to listen that you will be in Kathmandu tomorrow.
It was finalized after your class. After 11 yesterday, it was not finalized after 11 p.m. After 11 p.m. we just discussed and we finalized it.
Okay. I will surely meet you, sir. Because I'm residing in Kathmandu, and so when you will be here tomorrow, I will definitely meet you.
Sure.
Okay, sir.
Any more questions? Murli, you have raised your hand now, or it is Suraj?
Sir, it was before.
Okay. Suraj, today internet connection is better? Okay.
Sir, in previous classes, I missed the class because due to examination.
No issues. You can attend on this Saturday and Sunday. I gave this message to Meshwar also, to Shushmita also. Maybe it was passed to you or not, but you can attend. No need to pay again. Once registered, you can attend any number of times. So you can attend this
Okay,
Saturday
sir.
and Sunday.
Okay, sir.
And this time the time would be the night.
Dr. Saab,
Yes, sir.
may please, if you don't mind, I would like to know what place from you are from, what place in
Place.
India?
Okay. My hometown is in Yamunanagar, that is Haryana.
Haryana. Your birthplace?
Yeah, Yamunanagar.
Your birthplace in there?
Yamunanagar, I'm telling you, Yamunanagar.
Okay. Haryana, sir. It's like, you know.
Haryana.
Okay,
And
okay,
offices,
okay.
we have two corporate offices, one in Gurgaon, that is in Haryana. So
Okay.
Yamunanagar is our registered office. Haryana, and then
Right,
Gurgaon
right.
is our corporate office, and Bangalore, because we have a chain of preschools. So we have 8 preschools in Bangalore, Vishakhapatnam, Assam, so many places. So we are running.
Okay. What is the name of the school, sir? There
Guru
in
Sthanam.
your place?
Guru Sthanam.
Guru Sthanam preschool.
Yes, I'll share you the site.
Yeah. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Sir, may आपको at last I would like to ask one question, sir.
Please.
What do you feel the difference in the studies, like the process, like the system of studies here in Nepal and back to your place there in Haryana, sir?
Sir, there is not a big difference. There is not a big difference. There is not a big difference.
Okay.
But yes, one point I was like, I'm worried about it. The use of calculators. I'm really worried about it.
Exactly, sir.
And
Exactly.
if you are not doing something, then remember, nobody can save you.
Exactly, sir. It's a big issue here.
And that is, see, I had a word with, I met 63 principals. I had a discussion. I gave them a lecture. But none of, I don't think they were interested to bring a revolution or bring a change in that. It is there, sir. What is this? It is there. You just start with it. We have to start something. Otherwise, let the water flow. It will flow.
Definitely, sir. It will flow, sir.
Right. So this is what is a big difference, and this will hit because
like, sir, Nelson Mandela had a chance to he had a mind to change the corruption. He had a mind to change the system.
Leave this word corruption. These are political issues. Just work on the small issue.
Exactly, I'm talking about the system,
I'll tell
sir.
you. Yesterday, somebody asked me in Quora, what can you teach in 1 minute? And that should be helpful lifelong.
Okay.
Now, what would be your answer?
My answer would be, sir, only Om would be my answer, sir.
Sorry?
Only Om.
Only I'll say, see, if this question is asked to a doctor, he'll say, I'll teach how to give artificial breathing. Because his profession is medical. What comes in his mind is only that thing. If you talk to an engineer, he'll say, I'll teach you to draw a straight line, because if you cannot draw a straight line, you'll never be able to make any structure. Got my point? Now, if you ask a trainer or a teacher like me,
Okay.
I thought there is no country or there is no one, any person, let it be a doctor, an engineer, a nurse, a cobbler, a businessman, or whatsoever you say, or a child, what they need every day, they need to calculate, they need to do transactions of money every day. Now this is very vital thing, you know.
Mhm. Yes. Right.
Let it be any currency, but that is there.
Yes.
So if you don't know how to do the money transaction, can you survive even? So that means you should know the mathematics, the basic mathematics, and there is a rule, all from 9, last from 10. Let it be any
Okay.
currency, you can solve immediately that transactions with one single line, all from 9 and last from 10. That is our fourth sutra, Nikhilam Karmam Dashata.
Okay.
So this is, see, it depends the personality, what you are. If you are a doctor, you will say according to yourself. But this is what I realized. Yes, it is what is most important thing. If you have to survive.
Yes. Definitely, sir.
Got my point.
We have to survive.
So yes,
Sir, but
if you are a holistic guru, definitely Om is there because Om is complete in itself. But
it's not about
no, you try to
holistic,
understand, sir.
Sir, but as being an engineer student, sir, मैं एक बार आपको क्या जोड़ना चाह रहा हूं कि आप जब भी ओम कह रहे हैं उसमें आपका जो श्वास प्रश्वास का जो आर्टिफिशियल ब्रीदिंग का यू आर इन दैट प्रोसेस, यू आर प्रैक्टिसिंग।
मैं आपको बताऊं,
सर प्लीज, आई एम टेकिंग वन मोर मिनट सर, प्लीज, आई एम वेरी सॉरी, आई एम टेकिंग वन मोर मिनट, आई एम वेरी सॉरी सर। में जो आप ओम बोल रहे हैं तो आपका जो आर्टिफिशियल ब्रीदिंग का प्रोसेस होता है, इंजीनियरिंग प्रोसेस, योर फंक्शनिंग ऑफ योर लंग्स, योर हार्ट्स एंड योर नर्वस सिस्टम, दैट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग, योर बायोनिकल, योर botanical engineering. And also when you are speaking Om, you are in a straight line. That is why I am only defining Om, because it is all the source of energy.
Sir, अब मैं बोलूं?
Please, sir.
Whatever you said, that is 100% correct, 200% correct, 1000% correct.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much.
You don't know about my story. I was the most shyest person in the world. I never was on the stage, but I did one sadhana, one Maun sadhana, just a few days before COVID, and everything changed in my life. Then last year I was there in Art of Living for 1.5 months.
Okay.
Everything is correct. Just tell me one thing. A beggar or any person who is a poor, he'll first ask for food or he'll just recite Om?
He would first ask for food.
That is what necessity. So that is what I am saying. That question was the same thing. See, when we are talking about, every person will talk according to his experience. Every person will talk according to their profession. So what you said, it is 100% acceptable by me, because I am right now, I am not being worried for the day-to-day problems, day-to-day issues. So there is life. There are people who have to first think of that. First, they have to think for everyday food. First, they have to think for everyday shelter. First, they have to think of clothes. So thereafter this thing comes. So don't mind my point, but yes, I'm talking a practical sense. Even if you go to a temple, you are not allowed inside if you're not putting something in the some donation in the box. It's not you're not forcibly stopped, but yes, everybody is looking forward that you will give something, right? So this is there. Anyhow, this should not be the topic. I don't want to discuss on this. My topic was totally Vedic mathematics. And
Side talk only, sir. Please, I'm very sorry to.
It's okay. It's okay. Yes, Anand Ale. You joined just now.
Sir, can I ask a question?
Sure, sure.
Sir, how can solve with trigonometrics by Vedic mathematics?
Which one?
Trigonometric equations.
Trigonometry.
Yes, sir.
Trigonometry can be solved. The first step is arithmetic, then your algebra, then we'll go for trigonometry, because for trigonometry also, see, what are the basic arithmetic operations? The basic is addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So very first thing, we
Yes.
should know how to multiply two numbers. So
Yes, sir.
trigonometry, I am taking it as a, when some teachers, they go for a higher end course or a professional angle. For trigonometry and geometry, I'm taking. Don't worry about it.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Anand and Ale. So any more questions we have? Anand, do you have any question? You are from?
Sir, I have one more question.
Yes, please.
Sir, while teaching, we cannot understand the students of the question of sequence series, and then what to do?
Sequence series. See, very first thing is why they are not understanding. Is it because the same only one topic they are not understanding, or they have a fear of maths? So you need to work on that first.
Yes, sir.
How is it possible that if they are understanding everything and one topic they are not able to understand? Is it possible?
No, sir.
So we have to work on that basics. See, that is what I am saying. First, basics. Okay, Anand.
Yes.
If you're from Kathmandu, I'll be there in Kathmandu tomorrow morning. So after morning, you can call me anytime and ask your questions. Right. So good night, everyone. If you have no questions, so I have a class after this. So please excuse me. And if you are still pending with some questions, you can jot down, ask me on Thursday, or you can send me on WhatsApp. I'll be happily to answer them. Right? Correct? Okay. Then.
Okay, sir.
Good night. Bye-bye.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Good night, sir. Bye-bye.